How to use the Grayl ULTRAPRESS for Webtogs.
Hi there, Explore with Brendan here, and today I've been sent some water purifiers by Grayl. I'm going to test out the ULTRAPRESS because the GEOPRESS is basically the same, it's just a bit bigger. I'm going to show you how it works, how to purify water with it, and then we're going to give it a taste. Let's see how it is.
In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 steps to purifying water with the ULTRAPRESS. Step 1, rotate and pull apart. Step 2, fill with dirty water. Step 3, twist the cap to allow air to vent during the purification process. Utilising your body weight, press with a steady downward force. Step 4 is to drink clean, purified water. Fast and easy, makes safe drinking water in 8 seconds, anywhere. The Grayl ULTRAPRESS is the perfect companion for your hiking or camping adventures. Where will you take it?